Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to invite collaborators on Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, open Instagram account. Then create Reels by recording and editing just as you normally would. Tap Preview to make sure that everything looks right, and then tap Next to review your sharing options. You can edit several settings on this page. Tap Tag People to access the collab label. On the next screen, you'll see two options. You can tag people as usual or invite a collaborator to be credited on the post. Tap Invite Collaborator. On the next screen, you'll be asked to search for an account to tag. You can tag up to 20 accounts. Once you've chosen a collaborator, tap the check mark to confirm. Instagram will take you back to the share screen, where you can check your settings one last time. This screen will now show a quick summary of the collaborators you've tagged. Don't forget that collaborators have to accept the tag before it shows up on your post. You can post your reel immediately, but it might take a little while for your collaborator to receive the notification and accept it. So don't panic if it doesn't show up right away. Once a collaborator has accepted the tag, they'll share ownership of your reel. So that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.